we are officially at the end of Jan 2025 already. I mean, I was still processing 24 and you are telling me Jan of 25 is done, like it's done and dusted. I mean, no complaints there, to be honest, because so far the year has been treating me really well. Touch wood. Lord knows do I deserve that after the year I've had previously. And yeah, let me know in the comments how is your year going so far. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go! To start off with, can I just start off with the top that I'm wearing? I have gotten so many compliments on this, so many. This is from the house of H&M. I got this last season. I'm gonna try and find a link for this in the description because I definitely ordered this online. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and get the link for this. I absolutely love this. It's a crop top and there was this vision board. There's this look that my friend visioned and she's like, you know what, get this, get this. This is the look, this is the link, get this. And I just appreciate those kind of friends, honestly, when they not only see a outfit inspo and share it with you, but they also share the resources to get that outfit, because that is everything. This is my go-to comfy boss lady outfit and at no point इसमें से कोई धागा वगैरह कुछ नहीं निकल आ रहा. इसका finishing बहुत ही बढ़िया है. The only thing to keep in mind with this for me personally is all of the button and the detailing over here is silver, and I'm generally a gold wearer. Like I generally wear a lot of gold, so I have to be mindful about my accessory when it comes to this. But apart from that, absolutely freaking love this. Can I please have an honorary mention of drum rolls, please? These boots right here. Oh my freaking god, I am obsessed with these boots. I love the look of this. Absolutely love this. This is a really good quality. And by the way, I got this from the house of Street Style Store. I know you did not see that one coming, but I got it from Street Style Store and this is amazing. Really good quality. Does the job. Love the vibe. Love the spirit of it. And yeah, I mean, you cannot complain about ankle length boots that are so inexpensive, look sophisticated, and have lasted me pretty well. I got this in October-ish, so yeah, solid 3-4 months, no complaints. Moving forward to fashion accessory, if I may, I am definitely digging this watch right here. It is 100% loose on me and I haven't got a chance to get this fixed, but it's from the house of Titan and I generally wear only my Apple Watch. Like honestly, 90% of the times I'm wearing my Apple Watch because I'm just like into my fitness, my steps and all of those things. But a lot of the times, I don't know, especially now, my Apple Watch, I think it's been about 2.5 years, 3 years maybe. It's kind of giving up on me. Like, you know, its battery bar khatam ho raha hai, not that it was better before, but now it's got worse, you know. So there are times where I just, you know, I forget to charge it and I don't have a watch. So I was like, okay, you know, I need a spare watch जो मेरी मम्मा का नहीं है, जो मेरा खुद का है. And I ended up seeing this design and I absolutely love this. Is from the house of Titan, by the way, and it came with the bracelet and the watch and I think it's just the perfect size, just the perfect vibe. हाँ थोड़ा loose है, उसको fix करना पड़ेगा, but the vision is there. The vision is visioning, if I may. I got. Alright, let's start off with the one product that I absolutely cannot imagine my makeup after using this the very first time when I did it on camera. And you guys, it's from the house of Insight and this is their Radiant Filter foundation, skin tint. I don't even know what you can call this, but the glow that you get from this, oh my freaking god, I cannot imagine my makeup now without this, especially for winters right now, and I come from a dry skin type, so this is just like a win-win-win-win-win situation for me, and boy am I rooting for that this year. Who has the time? I love foundations, but like honestly, who has the time? And for days like that, I love to go ahead with my Mars concealer. This is their Cancel Concealer and I am in the shade 04. Absolutely love this concealer. Absolutely love this. It's such a beautiful full coverage. इसके पहले मुझे Insight का HD concealer भी बहुत पसंद था. It was one of my favorites and this is a recent launch relatively. I think this came in the end of 2024 and Oh my god, it's a beautiful highlighting shade. On screen it is looking a little more white than it is in person. In person it has a more of yellow undertones to it, and boy, this blends like a dream. Like, this blends beautifully. It does not crease whatsoever. It lasts very long, and to be honest, because I come from a dry skin type, there are days when I don't even set this. I just let it be, I let it exist, and that's that, you know. I call it a day. So this is my hands down favorite duo of all times. With that being said, moving forward, something that I've been really loving, to my surprise, is this beauty right here. As you can see, it is super disgusting right now because I just used this to finish off my current makeup, but it's from the house of Mars, and this is their Mars makeup sponge. And I am very finicky and picky about using cheap makeup sponges. I don't know, I just don't like them because they absorb a lot of product. They don't blend makeup that well. Like, the whole purpose that they exist is defeated by them not performing for the thing that they exist. You know what I mean? You know? I hope you know. But I absolutely love this. It's so squishy. It really becomes a huge size. I haven't used a beauty blender of this size, but at the same time, this reduces my makeup timing in like half. And I love that. I absolutely love that. And you know, it's lasted me very well. Generally वो cheap वाले makeup sponges होते हैं ना, वो immediately थोड़े use में फट जाते, टूट जाते, खराब हो जाते हैं. इसमें so far I mean कुछ मोल वगैरह तो आया नहीं है, and कहीं से भी wear and tear भी नहीं हुआ है. Of course, because I got the lighter shade, so it's forever going to be looking dirty. So that is that. But yeah, I absolutely love this, and if you're in the market looking out for a nice beauty sponge, then definitely consider the Mars one. You will not regret. Talking about things looking disgusting and finicky, I am so sorry. I want to apologize in advance for what I'm about to show you next, but this is really saving the environment and the day for me. And I'm talking to you about this makeup removing towel. I'm sorry. एक अच्छा वाला भी मैंने बचा के रखा था, but मुझे मिल नहीं रहा, जो मैं ना सिर्फ कैमरा पर्पस के लिए यूज़ करने वाली थी. बिकॉज यू गेट दीज इन अ पैक ऑफ 2. आपको एक लाइट कलर मिलता है, आपको एक डार्क कलर मिलता है. इनिशियली आई वॉज गोइंग टू यूज दिस फॉर स्किन केयर एंड द डार्कर कलर फॉर मेकअप, बट आई डोंट नो what happened, what switch was not switching, and I started using this lighter color towel for my makeup as well as my skincare. अगर मैं कभी कुछ मास्क वगैरह लगाती हूँ, instead of going in the bathroom and like cleaning my face and the water dripping, I just like to wet this and just remove it all. But honestly guys, ये इतना अच्छा पड़ता है मुझे, like just between touch-ups, makeups, and in general also, I think this is such a healthier alternative than using cotton pads. I'm really trying to make a conscious effort. I'm very tempted to buy cotton pads, but so far I haven't bought it, at least that I remember. But please, if you could just consider being nicer to the environment this year, that would be really cool and the it girl thing to do. So because honestly, it's not the aesthetics of being a it girl and clean girl. It's also trying to do your bit for the environment and nature. And yeah, this is just me trying. So yeah, that is that. Can we talk about the fragrance of this year? This year, I don't know, I'm feeling luxury, I'm feeling bougie, I'm feeling brave, if I may. पहले होता था कि यार मम्मी पापा के पैसे पे ये सब चीज़ें करना, now मैंने किया नहीं है, I would still buy luxury makeup. थोड़ा गिल्ट वाला फीलिंग आता था. फिर जब खुद कमाने लगी तो गिल्ट वाला फीलिंग आने लगा कि यार इतना महंगा, इतने मेहनत के पैसे. अब I think I'm making amends with luxury and money balancing and just adulting in general. And this is my fragrance of the year, rather of the month, and this is from Versace, and this is the bright crystal variant. I got this as a gift, to be honest, and I cannot stop using this. It is such an amazing one. Smells very elite. Like I don't know how to define this otherwise, but it lasts also very long on me. Ooh, it's sexy, it's elite, it's sophisticated, it's a boss girl vibe. That's kind of the energy I'm trying to channelize this season. A little goes a long way with this. It lasts for a very nice time, especially if your skin is moisturized and hydrated. You are good to go. Now let me take you through my lipstick obsessions for this month, and I gotta tell you, I am impressed with the duo I came up with. It's something that I currently have on my lips as well. To start off with, and strong, I am still in very much love and awe of this beauty right here. It's from the house of Maybelline. It's from their vinyl collection, and it's in the shade Moody, which I absolutely love. It's such a soft girl shade. I mean, Look at that, look at that. How can you not like this? This will easily suit anybody from light to medium, light medium. But yeah, I start off with this shade and then I like to top it off with my MAC lipstick, which is first of all so freaking cute. I finally started getting the hang of minis because that way I get to try a lot of makeup while being mindful and also finishing it up, right? And if I love something, of course I can buy a full size of it. But yeah, I got the mini for me, and this is in the shade Warm Teddy, very similar to the Maybelline one that I have. I mean, honestly, those are dupes right there and there, but the undertones of both of them are slightly different. This is more brown, this is more pink. This duo is what gives you this shade. I absolutely love this. It's a hands down one of my favorite. This is something, because it's a mini na, ye mere purse mein hamesha pada rehta hai, and this is something that's again in my vanity most of the time, and I like to mix and match. But the duo, this is what you get, and individually very similar yet different. If you know, you know. After which, let me talk about skincare. Now boy, skincare has been something that I'm being very mindful of. I even did a skincare routine video for you. If you haven't watched it, watch it already. I'll leave a link in the description and even on the screen for you. But with that being said, if I had to pick my two favorite, most used products that really came through and saved the day for me this season, especially this month, are these two products which I've carried with me through 2024. And trust me, apart from traumas, there aren't much things that I've taken in 25. So this speaks volumes. To start off strong, I am obsessed with this baby right here. It's from the house of Body Wise. It's their Snail Mucin. Ye sasta wala Snail Mucin. Try saying that faster. I'm pretty sure Cosrx ka bhi acha hoga, but if I'm getting a Snail Mucin that is effectively working on my skin at half the price, I don't feel the urge to try Cosrx, you know, not at least at the moment. As you can see, मैंने इसको काफ़ी अच्छा खासा यूज़ किया है. इसका पैकेजिंग आई एम नॉट द बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक द प्रोडक्ट आउट, प्रोडक्ट फस करके बाहर आता है. लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक अ सटल I'm there. It's like I'm there. I can work on my explanations, but you get the drill, right? But oh my god, Snail Mucin is such a beautiful anti-aging product. It smoothens your skin, it hydrates your skin without the chip. That is my whole point. I come from a dry skin type, and when you tell me something's moisturizing but is instead chip, I don't want that for me. I deserve better. And again, this is paraben free, fragrance free. It is amazing product. It's one of those kind of skincare products जो आप दिन में यूज कर सकते हो, रात में यूज कर सकते हो. दिन में the only reason I avoid it is because इसके ऊपर मेकअप ना थोड़ा स्लिपरी हो जाता है. तो आपको अगर इसको यूज करना है तो मेकअप के पहले 10-15 मिनट करिए. अगर आपको इमीडिएटली मेकअप इसके ऊपर लगाना है तो थोड़ा वो स्लिपरी हो सकता है. That is the only issue I have. Apart, which brings us to random favorites. To start off strong, I am really enjoying this little concoction thingy right here, which is actually an organizer for your accessories. Not that इसके अंदर कुछ organize मैंने रखा है, but just it existing, I really love it. इसमें ना generally मैं अपने real सोने वाले जो accessories जो मैं as an adult पहनने लगी हूँ, वो सारे मैंने इसमें रखे हैं. Of course, apart from real gold, I do have certain fake, rather imitation jewelry that I know I love to wear. Something like maybe this heart-shaped earring, which is such a vibe, and even this triangle one. Let me know if I should do like a jewelry haul, or like, you know, if you would love to see my collection. Do consider, because आपके everyday jewelry के लिए, आपके travel के लिए बहुत ही handy पड़ता है. Of course, do a better job at color selection, because if you go for lighter colors, you can see क्या हाल इसका हो जाता है. But yeah, I really enjoy this. I got mine from Amazon at a really crazy price back in the day, but I think I've had this for over 2 years now and I have zero complaints. Apart from that one little hook जो थोड़ा टूट गया है, it's doing really well. It's going very strong. So yeah, absolutely loving this. And with that, we are leading to the final section of this video, which is my favorite memory and my favorite show for the season. Honestly, बहुत busy and hectic रहा है ये month, but at the same time, I definitely enjoyed watching Selena Gomez series called There's a Murderer in the Building, and that I think recently came on Hotstar, at least in India, or rather I recently saw it. Absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved the show. I love Selena. Wizards of Every Place के throwbacks आ रहे थे जब मैं उसको small screen पे देख रही थी, because I mean I obviously enjoy her music, no doubt there. But apart from watching her on YouTube and Instagram with her Rare Beauty promotions, finally to see her act in a series felt like, you know, it hit the right spot for me. So definitely enjoyed watching it completely for Selena. It's a murder mystery, and yeah, I mean, literally it's in the name, and it's fun, it's interesting, it will keep you on the hook. So definitely watch that. My favorite memory of this month, are you freaking kidding me? How dare you ask me that? Obviously, my favorite memory for this season has to be Coldplay, guys. I finally got a chance to witness the Coldplay concerts in person in Mumbai. Oh my god, that was a circus. That was a whole circus and an eventful day. I'm gonna try and put pictures and clips on my screen right here if I can. But boy, did I love this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I enjoyed it. It was a once in a lifetime moment. Of course, bahut bheed thi. Of course, it could have been organized better, but regardless, we got the perfect seats. I had the perfect company. The music was musicking, concert was concerting, and yeah, it was just the vibe. It was just the right vibe, and I couldn't have asked for a better start for this year. And yes, I think I cannot stop smiling just thinking about it. So that's that. And well, yeah, that's a wrap for this month's favorites. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please help me reach 10k subscribers by the end of this year, because that's my big dream for this season. So help me achieve that by sharing this video with all your lovely girlfriends, and also subscribe karna bilkul free hai. With that, it's a wrap for today's video, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.